bit of a love-hate relationship with Fashion Nova, and I will admit that I have been fooled more than once with the expectation versus reality, but nevertheless, learning my lesson isn't really my thing. So I've done another Fashion Nova haul because some things looked super cute, the prices were awesome, and I'm just a gambling kind of gal. So let's check out this bag of goodies. I have all this stuff, it just came in. Let me tell you a story of how long it took me to get this. I'm gonna have to take a seat for this. Okay, so basically what happened was I placed my order with Fashion Nova like May 13th, and I'm filming this now. It's a month later, it's June 18th. And it took a whole, like, more than a month to get here. I kept checking it, and I kept checking tracking, and I live in Canada, right? So I'm looking at the tracking, and I'm like, okay, it's in Mississauga, which is like an hour away from where I'm like, okay, whatever, it's at the sorting center. Then it moves, I see it moves to a city further away from me, and then it moves to another city even further away from me. I'm like, what is happening? Why is my package moving further and further away from me? And then I realized that dummy me, I entered the wrong postal code. So I put the right street address, but I put the wrong postal code, and I don't know what happened to my brain, but the first 3 digits of my postal code I entered from like 3 addresses ago, from like way back in the day. And then the last 3 digits of my current postal code. So I don't know what happened. I had a brain fart. Anyway, so I had to message them, basically explain that my real address is this, and they rerouted it, and then I got it in like 2 days. So here we are. So we're gonna do a try on and a haul. I'll show you what I got, and it's like $400 worth of stuff. That's not what I paid for it. I had a promo code, of course. Let's rip into this bag. I love opening packages. It's mostly sweaters, guys. It's mostly sweaters. Let's start with this one. First sweater. That's okay, it's cute. I like the color, the fabric's okay. I wish it was stretchier. This, if you can tell, it does not stretch this way. It only stretches this way, which is weird. I feel like it should stretch this way too. Huh. But it's nice, it's soft, it's fuzzy. I can work this. It's like a nice loose sweater for when I go to all-you-can-eat sushi. I have lots of room in here. This will work. These shoulders, this makes me look like a football player. I'm not loving this. Let's check out the back. It's cute. All in all, it works. I wish these sleeves were not so massive and football player-ish, because it's like a little like, it's a little long. It's a little long for me. Taking this off is hard because of the stretchiness or lack thereof. It'll get stuck over your head. So yeah, that isn't great. This fabric is a little on the cheap side, and the tag only says Fashion Nova. It doesn't say what size it is. This is a small or an extra small. Yeah, it's an extra small. Okay, let's move along to the next sweater. This nice white knit sweater. This looked really nice on the model. It was like a nice like baggy sleeve, very casual chic. Let's see what the reality is. Okay, so far so good. The fabric feels a little bit scratchy, I'll be honest. It's not soft, it's a little scratchy. This is actually really cute. This one's a winner. I do have to wear something to make it not scratchy because the fabric, it's like somewhere in between soft and scratchy. But yeah, I feel like it's a great winter sweater. I'd have to wear something like a long sleeve tee under it just to make it less scratchy. But maybe I'm just like extra sensitive today. I like this knit. It's like a nice chunky knit. It actually looks expensive. This is better than the first one, for sure. I could totally wear this in the fall with like some nice like short boots and jeans and like maybe some rider boots. This would look really nice with like some rider boots. I like it. I'm happy with this sweater. Next chunky knit sweater. I love this color. I fell in love with this like yellowy pastel. It's so sunny and warm, and I was just like, I have to have this. and it's Nova vintage. I guess their chunkies are Nova vintage. Ooh, my head almost got stuck in there. I have a massive head, and this stitching here is like, it doesn't stretch either. This is really nice, scratchy as well. I will say the material is a little scratchy and a little, dare I say, on the cheap side, but it is very cute, and again, with a long sleeve tee in the fall and in the winter would totally work. These sleeves are massive. These sleeves, like, I could fly away with these sleeves. What is going on here? Whoa. This is like from another time. This makes me think of like a Victorian collar, you know? Massive sleeves and a Victorian collar. I don't know. The other one was probably a little bit better. Next, how cute is this? It's like Chanel. No one cares. I'm a total copycat, and my friend got the sweater and I had to have the exact same one. Okay, so this is actually gigantic, even though it's an extra small. And guys, I'm not actually that small, but this sweater is like, I can fit another me in here. And same stretching issue as the first sweater. It stretches one way, but not the other way. We're stuck here. We're not moving. If you have to get through here, you're not. It's an interesting material, to say the least, but the sweater's cute. I like it. I guess I just like the fact that it says no one cares and it looks like Chanel. That's really the only reason why I bought it. Kind of looks like a pajama shirt, doesn't it? I don't think I could wear this out. I feel like I would only ever have to wear this at home, and it has to be with leggings, I feel like, because it's already so big and like bulky up top. I feel like I have to wear it with leggings to make it work. It's not bad. It's not bad. It's growing on me now. I don't know. Again, with the football player sleeves though, like why? Why is this a thing? Why do I need to fit 3 arms in 1 arm? If only I could like make it half, just so that I don't look like a broad-shouldered man. That'd be nice. I think we have a winner. I can actually wear this one in public. It fits nice. Merci Fashion Nova. Merci for making one thing that fits me. Look at these letters. They're like little pearls and diamonds. How cute is that? I love this. Yeah, this works. This works for me. If all my $200 that I actually spent, which I did only like really spend roughly 200 Canadian, because I got a 50% off coupon. I'm gonna link it below. I don't know if it's still active, but I just like randomly dug up a 50% off coupon and it worked. So it was like perfect, because I had like $400 worth of stuff in my cart, but I was like, I don't think this stuff is worth $400. Let's see if I can knock it down a bit. And I did by 50%. So for, I guess for $200, and so far 3 of the 5 things I've tried on are wearable in public, I'd say. It's okay, it's not bad, it's not bad. I am really loving this sweater though. Like I have to say I'm really loving this one. This one fits good, and yeah, it actually fits the way I would expect it to fit and not the other 2 extra smalls that really were not extra small, I'll say that. Okay, the next item, I honestly thought it was gonna be a Skims dupe. Like the way that the model was wearing it, it looked like it would be that sort of like material, the same as like Skims loungewear, and I was on it. And then I got this, and it's not that. This is so far from the expectation. It's ridiculous. I guess let's put it on and see. Okay, first of all, what the hecking heck is this? They're see-through. They're fully see-through. You can totally see my undies. I don't like that. I don't want to show my undies. Like this, I guess it works. I guess you have to wear nude colored undies or none at all. And with the robe it's cute. I like it with the robe. Let's let's test it out. Ew, it's already dropping things. I wish it had a belt, you know? I wish I could like belt it. That would really work with a nice little belt. I think this is wearable. It's just weird because it's a really warm sweater material and yet it's shorts, but it's really warm. Like I'm sweating already in this. I feel like this is cute loungewear though, and I feel like I could wear this sweater. Like it's cute, no? We have a hood. Ew, I hate stitching like this. Stitching like this is honestly my pet peeve. Like, why did it need to have this weird thing? So that when you put it on, it's like your thing has like a belly button. We're not gonna wear the hood. I mean, it's not Skims. Let's be honest, it's not Skims. It's nothing close to Skims. The shorts are see-through, so that's great. But I guess parts of it are wearable. So yeah, now you know what $400 worth of stuff at Fashion Nova looks like, whether it's worth it to you or not. Really, this is $200 worth of stuff because you can always get a promo code, like you can always at least get 30% off. Yeah, it's hit and miss. It's hit and miss. Am I gonna keep shopping at Fashion Nova? Yeah, I think so. Because I like to gamble and honestly it works out sometimes. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my haul. I hope you found it helpful and fun, and please subscribe and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.